stop paying and get rid of your Stan Store account right now. Because in this video, I'm gonna create a Stan Store themed website live in real time using a free Systemeio account. This means that you're gonna be able to promote multiple affiliate links and products across all of your social media platforms, all without spending a dime on Stan Store, because it's all gonna be completely, absolutely 100% free. So if you're not tech savvy or just short on time, these templates are gonna be your ticket to a hassle-free Stan Store themed website creation, because all you're gonna have to do is just copy, paste, and start earning money. So the first thing you need to do is create your free Systemeio account. I'm gonna leave the link down below in this video to where you can get access to Systemeio for absolutely 100% free. Now, this is one of the templates that Systemeio gives you for absolutely free, but we're gonna be creating our Stan Store themed website from scratch, so we're gonna delete all of these things. Okay, so I deleted everything inside of this page, so this is how it looks on desktop version, and if we switch to mobile, you can see there's nothing here and it's waiting for me to drop my first element. Now, the first thing we're gonna do to build out our Stan Store themed website is to add an image at the top. So all you have to do is just click image, and then you can upload your images to Systemeio. Just click select a file and upload your image of yourself. Now, if you don't have an image, you could just go to Canva and use the free platform to create your image. You want to make sure you use the circle frame and then upload your image to Canva, place it inside the frame, and it's going to give you that nice round border. Once you're done, just download it to your device. Once you have that image, just click select file. I've already downloaded it, so find the file on your device, highlight it, click open, and then that image is going to get uploaded to Systemeio. Once it's uploaded, just go over to your images and then find that image, which it should be the only one if you just created your Systemeio account. It's going to pop over here to the right, and then you're going to click on insert. And now it's inserted into Systemeio. Now this image is way too big, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our editor. You're going to make sure you're in the image mode, and you're going to make sure you have that image highlighted on Systemeio, as you can see the borders, and then you just scroll down to the width that you want, and then you can just drag it down like so. So now that we have our profile picture, now you will have to do is just make sure that you're in the elements section over here, and you're going to scroll down, and then we're going to add another section right here, and then we're going to add another row, and you can just click it and it's going to pop up right up under your picture. So now that we have our row, we're going to add an element, which is going to be our text, which is going to have the name of our sales under the picture. So now all you would have to do is just click on text. Now, after you click text, it's going to give you all this random stuff. Another option you could do if we want to delete this, gave us too much, you could just click on headline text and it'll give you something like that. Now, once we have that, we're just going to just slide it up right up under our picture, and then we can delete this right here. Now, here's where you would want to put your name. So all you would have to do is just double click it, and then it's going to highlight, and then you can just key in your name. Once you do that, it should be right up under your picture. And right now we're making tons of progress. The next thing we're going to do is put our title or our expertise up under our name. So all we would have to do now is just repeat that process. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can click duplicate, and then it's just going to make a copy of what you've already done, or you could just come back over here and just click on headline text again, and it appears right up under what we've already done. All right, so these fonts are a little bit too big, so I'm going to make sure this is highlighted, and then I'm going to come over here and just make it a little bit smaller. So now that we have a few of our elements like our image and our text here, we're going to change the background color. Now you can leave it white, but I'm just going to give it a little color to make it pop. So what you would have to do is just come over here and you're going to click settings, and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here to where you see background, and we're going to change the color. You can also add an image, but I won't be doing that. So I'm going to click on change background color, and then it's going to bring up this little bar to where you can change the color. We're going to make it a nice little blue color. And as you can see, I made the background blue. So now I'm just going to go back because you can't hardly see the text. So what we're going to do is just click on the text, and it's going to bring up this little bar right here. We're going to click on this, and we're going to change the color to white. And as you can see, now my text is white over this nice blue background. Now that we have that done, what we're going to do next is we're going to add our buttons so people can click and go to our links and our affiliate products. So again, just make sure you're up under the elements tab, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for button, and you're just going to click that. And as you can see here, that button came, and now we can make some changes and tweaks. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just click on the button element over here, and then you're going to see this change over here. So now you have some options. What do you want to happen when they click the button? Right now it has submit form, but we don't want that to happen. We want to send them to whatever web URL where our affiliate links, where our affiliate products will be. So next thing you will put is open URL. And then here is where you would copy and paste your URL link. So just for educational purposes, I have a free course that I give away for free for people to learn more about affiliate marketing. So I'm just going to go to that website and copy my link right here. And then I'll come back to system.io. And then here you would just paste your link like so. And you're going to want to press enter. Now, I don't like what the button is saying. So what we're going to do is just change the text on here. So once you click the button, all you have to do is just scroll down and you'll see the typography, and then you can change the text. So while we're here, I'm going to make some other changes to this button, and I want to change the color of the border, and then I want to change the color to white. And as you can see, there's a little border around the button. Then once you have the color you want, you can just click off and then it's going to be set. All you have to do now is just click on duplicate, and then it's going to make copies of all your buttons, and you can do as many as you like. And then you can repeat these steps any type of way that you want, but it's good just to do the first button, set it to how you want. So all you got to do is just change the links in the text. Now, one last thing we got to do, you see how the color is cut off and it's white at the bottom. All you're going to want to have to do is just go up here and click that section, and you're going to want to click on settings. And then once it opens up the settings over here to your left, you're going to want to go down to the padding right here. And then you're going to go to the bottom and just put it all the way down like that. Once you have everything set the way you want it, you want to click Save Changes. And now your site is ready. Now, System.io gives you your own domain, which you can use as is. And I'll show you that in a second. But you can also create your own custom domain, add it into System.io. I'll leave a link for you to create your own domain down below this video to where you can get your own domain for $10. And that's going to last you for an entire year. But before I show you where your domain is located at, I want to show you how to set the metadata to make sure that your website is SEO optimized. So all you have to do is just come over here to settings, and you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see the SEO optimization. This is where you can give your website a web page. You could put Dad Learns Money. Give it a nice description. This is going to pop up on Google to where they can see what your website is about. Put all relevant keywords to whatever your industry and your niche is. As the author, you can just put your name again, and you can also upload an image. So when it pops up on Google or any search engines, they can see your picture. But once you're done with your website, you can just exit by pressing the arrow right here. And then it's going to bring you back to this page right here. And then all you have to do is just get the URL by clicking the link right here. That's going to be the URL you can put into your website. Down on how to make money with System.io. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you got tons of value, make sure you leave me a comment down below. I really appreciate it, and it helps my channel grow. And as always, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success. I'm out.